Let's look at some sequence and series. This is the question that's given sequence 21, 18, 15. Determine the sum of the 15 terms. So to determine the sum of the 15 terms, you have to use the sum equation of the terms. So before you start, you have to know which series sequence is this one. So the series, it's an arithmetic sequence. How do you know? First you have to test it. How do you test it? Say 21, 18, 15. And then first of all, if you divide one of these, say 18 divided by 21, it's like it's 18 divided by 21 is 0.85. Let's check. 15 divided by 18 is 8.33. So we're checking using this, the test for geometric sequence. Term number 2, it's 18 divided by term number 1, which is 21, which is 0.85 something. Term number 3 over, it's 15. So the constant here is not the same. So this is 3, this is 5. So because this one, it's not the same, the constant are not the same, or the ratios are not the same. So this one is not the a geometric sequence. Geometric, it's not the geometric sequence. And then let's check using the what you call it, the arithmetic sequence, and then we have to check the different, the common different, whether they are the same. So term number 2, it's 18 minus 21, and then term number 3, it's 15. So then term number 2, it's 18. So checking the answer here, it's a the answer is negative 3. And then let's see, 15 minus, so So this sequence is arithmetic sequence, because using the arithmetic sequence to find the common difference, we have found that this is common. The the common difference are the same. So it's it's arithmetic. Okay, so solving the problem, we start by using this equation here. So there are formulas for arithmetic, and there's a formula for geometric sequence for the sum. So using this equation to find the sum of the 15 terms, so the value of n it's 15. N here represent the number of terms. And A is term number 1. Term number 1, which is 21, the first term. So D represent the common difference, which was -3. So you'll substitute this value here. Substitute n here and here. So here you just to represent the number. You don't have to calculate it here. You have to divide it. Substitute the first term, which is 21, 15, then the common difference. So let's start putting 15 here, and then equals to 15 divided by 2, and then it's 21, and then plus n is 15 is the number of term, then D it's -3. And then calculating, okay, 15 here, it will be 7,5. 2 times 21, it's 42. 15 minus 1, it's 14 minus 3. Third times, let's calculate the inside part and see. So the inside part, it's 42 plus 42 plus 14 times minus 3. The answer is 0. So we have a 0 answer. This is the sum of the 15 times, it's 0. This is the answer.